What is up, ladies, gentlemen, and banana sandwiches? And today I'll be unboxing the Studio Series Transformers Devastation Optimus Prime. And yeah, they really have changed the box for Studio Series. And if you notice, I'm not saying Gamer Edition because there's no Gamer Edition anywhere on the box, which is interesting. So I just take this right here. See? Studio Series in silver. It says Gamer Edition. It just says Studio Series on this box. So just do a little bit of comparison on the sides. This is rather interesting, I'll say. I do like this, I'm not gonna lie. I do wish they could have kept these things here. Would have been nicer. But I do prefer that it has this plastic. That, and I'm probably not gonna keep the box, which means I'll have more space. So, all right. So I'm just gonna shut up now and do the unboxing. All right, let's get into the articulation now. You got a full rotation at the head, got backwards and a little bit forwards here at the shoulder. Got 360 rotation here. You have over the bicep swivel, about 90 degrees of bend, and his fist can go inwards like this. Now for the waist. You don't got much because of these tires. Move them to the side. Now you got 360 rotation, but it does look weird. Forwards. More backwards than I thought. And go all the way to the side. He has knee rotation, I want to say above the knee, even though this is where it should end. The knee is right below that. Yeah. He has a bend and the rotation there, which is technically below the knee, but above. Yeah. And then you have a pretty great ankle tilt. And you have heel bend and toe bend. So Optimus Prime here is without a doubt Yujiro Hanma certified. Absolutely beautiful. All right, now on to some size comparisons. So here we have Legacy United Armada Wheeljack, which if you have any form of the Siege Sideswipe mode, same size. So that's why I have him. Next we have SS86 Bumblebee, one of the smaller deluxe classes. Yeah, he just towers over Bumblebee. Next we have Legacy United G1 Optimus Prime. He's a head taller. Now we have an Optimus that's actually taller by ever so slightly. Transformers 1 Studio Series Optimus Prime. Yeah, just a little bit taller. And since I haven't unboxed 86 yet, Earthrise Optimus Prime. This is the dramatic capture, but same thing, just better colors. So yeah, now onto the transformation. Now this transformation is rather solid, especially for a deluxe class. It does take heavy inspiration from the Earthrise Optimus in the way that the cab forms, and the legs do a little bit more, such as revealing the wheels that are somewhat hidden in robot mode. Rather nice, I like it. Pretty solid overall. Alright, so here he is in vehicle mode. And I will say that I do like the fact that his wheels are all pegged and not like front wheels pegged, back wheels plastic on plastic. It's nice. That and if you want to transform him right and have him look a little bit better, you gotta bend the toes. So yeah, pretty nice. So size comparison, got Legacy United Armada Wheeljack. And this does not scale well at all. Oh my goodness, Optimus Prime is such a tiny truck. Look at that. Whew. Alright, let's go with Bumblebee. Yeah, no, Optimus Prime is still a very tiny truck. Can you fit Bumblebee on the back? Just barely. Barely. Alright. Legacy United. Oh yeah. That is... Oof. So, bigger cab. Longer, bigger bed. Okay. Alright, I get it. And better smokestacks, because these actually have a bigger peg that goes into his shoulders, as opposed to this Optimus, which really don't have an extra peg to stabilize it. So significantly bigger truck mode, but it's, oh my goodness, I've already mentioned many times why I don't like this truck mode. Yeah. I'd be shocked if it was smaller somehow. Earthrise Optimus Prime. I didn't transform the dramatic capture because I already had Shattered Glass transformed, and it also uses the Earthrise mode. So, you know, what ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, it should be bigger in every conceivable way, but bigger smokestacks. So I do like that, I will admit. Not bad. I do wish he could roll better. Be nice. Alright, so first impressions after just messing around with him for about half an hour. I get why he's getting a lot of hate. His vehicle mode isn't that good looking. His articulation is rather limited in certain areas. But there's one thing that I felt the moment I got him out of the box and in hand. He is solid. There's just something about this plastic that it took me back to Cybertron era, if I'm being honest. It's most likely not as good as that, but the plastic, it just has this feel that I can't explain, where it feels better quality than, let's say, Legacy United or Transformers 1 Studio Series. It has a nice feel to it. But overall, you can skip this. You don't need this figure. I'm just an Optimus Prime fanboy through and through. I will glaze him till the day I die. And since it's Optimus Prime, I like it. I'd say, you know what? If Optimus Prime is not your favorite character, it's not worth it. Not one bit. Just save your money, get something else. Yeah, those are my first impressions, and that was the unboxing. Reject normalcy, embrace pure, unadulterated mecha.